My name's Janina Kuczys. The toolkit is a resource that has been produced for Volunteering Spirit Wales. It was produced with the guidance and help of our partner organisations, and the idea is that between us we can share good practice, including practical examples of what's needed to actually work with volunteers at events. The toolkit's been designed to be used in a variety of ways. So if you are an events organiser that's new to working with volunteers, we'd suggest that you start by looking at the overview on working with volunteers. If you are a volunteer manager that's new to working with events, we think that you'll find it most useful to start by working your way through the timeline from beginning to end. If you're somebody that's already got experience at working at events with volunteers, you could just work your way through the different menus where you'll be able to pick and choose which guidance or examples will be of use to you. We hope that the impact of this toolkit will lead to people feeling more confident about working with volunteers at events. The fact that it contains so much good practice from experienced organisations will lead to innovative ways of working with volunteers at events.